super cute and super short duet by Pleyel. He was a master of writing effective duets, anything from really short to longer form. He liked this format and wrote quite a few duets. So if you research Pleyel duets, you'll find all kinds of interesting options if you're interested in ensemble playing like this. But this one is really wonderful, really easy to learn, and it's kind of addressing some of the mixed bowings, legato mixed with up bow staccatos, a little bit of double stops, really not hard, but also how to play in the rondo allegretto. I played this at 116 clicks, and that's it. Basically, I hope you guys like the result. I'm including the MP3s on Patreon, so as well as sheet music as well on Patreon, because I don't have this option to do it on YouTube, and I hope you guys take advantage of those attachments. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.